guys, so I wanted to say first thanks for watching, and I am doing the chips, the pita chips. So sorry, it's really cold outside, so just avoid the fact that I'm wearing like triple layers of clothes. So I decided to try this today with this flat out bread. Now, I did yesterday's with a Joseph pita and it worked out great, but I love my Joseph's pita for other things, and I don't like this flat out bread as much. So I'm going to use this for my chips, and I'm going to hope that it works. Now, I pre-measured out in my Weight Watchers app. 3/4 of that wrap is 1 point. So 3/4 was 40 grams. So I measured out 40 grams of the pita. So I obviously had to chop some off and throw it away. The rest I've chopped up into little squares. And I'm actually going to season these with a little bit of taco seasoning because I'm going to make nachos out of these chips. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to spread them out and spray them with some cooking spray just so that they're a little bit sticky. So let me spread them out. I know you can't really see exactly what I'm doing. I don't have a tripod to do this and point down without my phone flying out of it. Okay, so stay there. I know I have a little bit of taco seasoning that I haven't used all of. Okay, so here's my little bit of taco seasoning. I'm not going to measure this because it's going to be so small amount. So I'm going to spray those. Probably just got that all over my phone, but that's okay. And then I am going to just sprinkle this. I should have probably put them a little closer together on the napkin. But hey, live and learn, right? Let's see if I can do this. I may actually just like put them on top of each other and get some of it off. So most of it's going on the napkin, just so you know, as you can probably see. So I'll probably maybe just, yeah, that's what you need to do. Okay, so there we go. We're just going to take a few, rub it in. That one has too much, so let's spread it out on some of the others. Okay, so that makes it easier. Rub it in. So what this is going to do, in my opinion, because I've not done this officially, this is like for you guys on camera, this is going to give this that Mexican taco flair of flavor. And again, I have used 3/4 of this flat out bread. And now I'm going to put these in the air fryer at 350 degrees. And I'm going to check them very, very fast. So after just a couple of minutes, I'm going to give it a shake, flip them over, whatever, and I'm going to do that just until they look like chips. It's kind of trial and error, so 350 degrees in the air fryer. I haven't done this in the oven. I don't know if it works. You're welcome to give it a whirl, but since I have an air fryer, that's what I'm going to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with the next clip when I get to the air fryer. Thanks. So they're going into the air fryer. Turn it on. Automatically it went to 350 degrees. So it set it for 11 minutes. It doesn't even know what I have in there, but that's fine. 350 is what I wanted. So it's on 11. When it gets down to about 9 or so, I'm going to pull it out, check them, move them around, and see how they look. I think I'll have to probably do about 6 minutes, but I'm just guessing. And I'll be back with the next clip when something special has happened. Okay, so 2 minutes has passed. And I can see in there, I need like a fork to do this. So I can see that they're, oops, sorry, you're not on the camera, that they're kind of getting on top of each other because of the air. Spread them back apart. They're not done. They're not close to done. So I'll check back in a minute. Okay, so we're at 8 minutes. I just checked them, and what I noticed the last 2 times I've done this is that they start to fly around inside here, and you can hear them moving. So at about 8 minutes, I'm starting to like what I see. They're starting to get a little bit more crispy. Oops, sorry. Listen when I close it. So it didn't do it very much, but I'm going to stop here at the 8-minute mark. Okay? Because I'm actually going to make these into nachos with a burger later, which means they're going to get baked again, just enough to get the cheese melty. So that's what I'm going to do. Just a second. So here's kind of what it looks like when it's done. It's now like a chip. It's super awesome, honestly, guys. And it smells good, 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 good. So there you go. Next clip will be when I start to put it all together. And just please note, again, I've never done this before, so I'm hoping that it works. And I'm going to put these out on a plate and clean my air fryer because it's dirty. So here is the next step. After I did the chips in the air fryer, I did a little bit of shredded chicken. And then if you're Weight Watchers, you can do this particular jar queso for 35 grams at 34 grams at 1 point. And if you are counting calories, that is one serving for 40 calories. And it actually has a really good flavor. So I spread that out amongst the chicken and pita chips. So right now the chicken is 0 points on Weight Watchers. The chips is 1 and the queso is 1. So this is chicken nachos, and basically just putting that in there because the chicken's already warm and the chips are already done, just to help get the cheese warm and melty, and I'll probably stir that all up. So there is chicken nachos, and it really looks yummy. And I'm going to pair that with a burger. I have sauteed my bun on a skillet. I've sauteed up some onions. I have my ground beef and ground turkey mixture. This is a 1 point burger if you're on Weight Watchers, and a 2 point bun. I'm going to add tomato for 0 points, pickles, mustard for 0 points, and less than a tablespoon of this for 0 points. So that will be a 3 point burger and a 2 point over there chicken and nachos. Again, I found this at Aldi's, and 1 point for one complete serving of 34 grams. And yes, you can get 34 grams for 1 point, 40 calories. Great stuff. So the final goodness, this might actually just be a little bit over the top, considering that I am on what I would call a diet, but I don't diet. I edit my food to fit my needs. Guys, this is a burger and chicken nachos. I mean, seriously, would you not want to diet this way? It's amazing. If you love what you saw today, please like and share. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're on Facebook. Please give me some love, and thanks for watching.